The question says, 2Ci, what is the gas produced in the experiment? This experimental setup. II, name the method of collection of the gas. III, give the reason for your answer in CII. And IV, state the function of the function of the concentrated tetraoxosulfate 6 acid in the conical flask. So the best way to find out the gas produced is to concentrate on what happens inside this round bottom flask. You know that sodium chloride is inside there, and through the testofunnel, sulfuric acid is introduced to form a reaction mixture here. So we are going to react this sulfuric acid and sodium chloride to find out the possible products. So here is the equation of the reaction. This is the acid introduced, and this is the sodium chloride. So what happens here is that sodium metal will displace hydrogen here because sodium is more reactive than hydrogen. So when it does that, we have sodium tetraoxosulfate 6 salt, which is this. And finally, chlorine will react with the hydrogen to form hydrogen chloride gas. Now, if the question is interested in the gas formed, and this is the only gas formed, so the answer to I question is hydrogen chloride. Hydrogen chloride gas. So, or you write it like this, HCl is the gas formed. Name the method of the collection of the gas. Now, to get the method, just check the pipe, the delivery tube that delivered the gas. Is it pointing upward or downward? Once it is pointing downward inside this gas jar, you know that the method is called downward delivery. Or upward displacements of air. Something. Yes, downward delivery, because as the gas is being delivered downward, it displaces air upward. Air goes up. So that is the answer. III, give the reason for your answer in II. Yes, the reason is clear. The reason is clear because downward delivery is a method used to collect gases that are heavier than air. And HCl is one of the gases that are heavier than air. Heavier than air. Physically, HCl forms in air. It is denser than air. Unlike other gases that are less dense than air, like hydrogen gas. So, gases that are denser than air displace air upwardly. The function of concentrated sulfuric acid in the conical flask. There are two flasks here. This is round bottom flask. This is conical flask. The sulfuric acid in the conical flask acts as a drying agent. In fact, sulfuric acid is a drying agent. So what happens is that as the gas produced here enters the conical flask, the gas is moist, contains some molecules of water. Remember, this is an aqueous solution. There is water in the concentrated acid. So the gas goes with water. On reaching the conical flask, the sulfuric acid concentrated removes water from the gas, and finally we have a dry gas here. So the function of concentrated sulfuric acid is what? A drying agent. As drying agents.